Now children, in this video, we will see a numerical based on the formulas which we had learned in the previous video. So we had learned actually two formulas. One was Ksp is equal to S square for the salts of the type AB, and second was Ksp is equal to 4S cube for the salts of the type AB2 or A to B. I hope that much you remember. And if you don't, please try to remember those things. Now, here the question is, the solubility of Ag2CrO4 silver chromate at 25 degrees Celsius is this much moles per liter. Calculate solubility product. You see children, whenever they will talk you of solubility product, they will mention temperature. It's required for the calculation or not is a different thing. But when the constants are there, they do mention temperature. So this is Ag2CrO4 silver chromate will break up into 2Ag plus and CrO4 2 minus. Suppose we have taken 1 mole of the, S moles of this. So I know at equilibrium it is understood this will be 2S and this will be 1S, as we had seen previously how it is there and why it is there. So Ksp is equal to Ag plus and square of this, and this will be CrO4, right? But there will not be any square, it will be single, 1, just 1, stoichiometric coefficient 1, and 1 is understood, we don't write. So this is 2s square and this will be s square. 2s because this is 2s and the square, this is stoichiometric coefficient, right? Power raised, this is also s. So it is overall 4s cube. And you see, I told you there also that the salt can be of the type AB2 or A to B. All by chance we here have the example of the type A to B. So for this we had learned that Ksp is equal to 4s cube. So if you want to elaborate this, your choice, excellent. If suppose you don't want to elaborate, you're confused. So you know very well that okay, salt is of the type A to B or AB2. It is equal to 4s cube. And what have they given you? Solubility, S. So simply 4s cube, 4 into the solubility cube, you got this answer. So whatever is there is your answer, right children? So this is your solubility product of the salt of the type A to B. Even if it was of the type AB2, say it was lead chloride PbCl2, barium chloride BaCl2, then too you had the formula Ksp is equal to 4s cube. Here it is Ag2CrO4 likewise. So this is how you have put the values. Direct formula based, you have just put the values and you got the answer. So salts of the type A to B or AB2, Ksp is equal to 4s cube. You can go directly or you can elaborate this or you can just show it and then go by that. Maybe the question was like that. They gave you Ksp and they wanted you to calculate solubility. So you will first go for S, right? Solubility. Then they can even ask you what will the concentration of these ions. So this will be 2S, this will be S, and likewise they can ask you. So please try to go by the concept, but normally those numericals are not there. Simply, if they, I'm again just telling, suppose they give you Ksp and they ask you solubility. So you go by the solubility. Ksp will be accordingly, you know that much of basic maths. Ksp is given to you. How will you calculate S? I will not tell you. I have told you earlier too. So just do it. So this is all for a simple numerical based on Ksp of the type A to B, or you can say of the type AB2. So for this video, we stop here.